Okay, so we're checking out Josh's robot. This guy calls his name is Gripper, right? Whoops, we got a dog in there. He's getting those grippers ready. Josh built this guy this afternoon. Picking up the cup. Aha, he did it. There's the builder right there. Right there is Josh. He's built this with his Lego Mindstorms. And here we go back down.
Looks like his battery's dead. So
So
this demonstration is done.